Ensure your Suburban is unlocked and all doors are closed. Insert a programmed key into the ignition. Turn the key to on without starting engine and back to off. Repeat 3 times within 10 seconds. On the fourth turn to on, leave the key in the on position. Press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob simultaneously for 15 seconds. Release when the vehicle responds. If you have additional fobs to program, repeat this step within 30 seconds of the first. Turn the ignition to off and remove the key. Test the fob by pressing the buttons from outside the vehicle to ensure it's working correctly. Having trouble? First, check the key fob's battery. A weak CR2032 battery can cause pairing issues. Also, make sure you're within 5 to 10 feet of the vehicle during the programming process. If it still doesn't work, the receiver module, usually under the driver's side dash, might need replacement or reprogramming, which might require a diagnostic tool. Remember, the key fob communicates with your Suburban at 314 MHz. If the body control module BCM is faulty, programming will likely fail, requiring a replacement. Stick to fobs from GM or certified aftermarket suppliers for best results. Keep in mind that aftermarket fob availability has been affected by supply chain issues, potentially causing price increases. If you're still facing issues, consider that experts note 2007 models are approaching obsolescence, and a professional may be required to solve the problem.